How to return dictionary keys as a list in Python. With Python 2.7, I can get dictionary keys, values, or items as a list. With Python is greater than or equal to 3.3, I get. How do I get a plain list of keys with Python 3?
This will convert the dict_keys object to a list. On the other hand, you should ask yourself whether or not it matters. It is Pythonic to assume duck typing. If it looks like a duck and it quacks like a duck, it is a duck. The dict_keys object can be iterated over just like a list. For instance, note that dict_keys doesn't support insertion nudict k equals v, though you may not need it.
Python is greater than or equal to 3.5 alternative, unpack into a list literal, nudict. New unpacking generalizations, PEP 448, were introduced with Python 3.5 allowing you to now easily do unpacking with works with any object that is iterable and, since dictionaries return their keys when iterated through, you can easily create the list by using it within a list literal. Adding .keys i.e., nudict.keys, might help in making your intent a bit more explicit, though it will cost you a function lookup and invocation, which, in all honesty, isn't something you should really be worried about. The iterable syntax is similar to doing list iterable, and its behavior was initially documented in the calls section of the Python reference manual. With PEP 448, the restriction on where iterable could appear was loosened, allowing it to also be placed in list, set and tuple literals. The reference manual on expression lists was also updated to state this. Though equivalent to list nudict, with the difference that it's faster, at least for small dictionaries, because no function call is actually performed. With larger dictionaries, the speed is pretty much the same. The overhead of iterating through a large collection trumps the small cost of a function call. In a similar fashion, you can create tuples and sets of dictionary keys. Beware of the trailing comma in the tuple case.
List nudict works in both Python 2 and Python 3, providing a simple list of the keys in nudict. Keys isn't necessary.
You can also use a list comprehension, or shorter. Note: order is not guaranteed on versions under 3.7. Ordering is still only an implementation detail with Python 3.6.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.